Inside the Heimer, it's just plush. We've got the darker wood finish as you expect with these guys. The cabinets all work, everything is strong, everything's got a bite to it. It's built really well in 2017 and it's still built really well right now. Leather, bit of texture all the way through and different tones. This separation of this front area where we've got a closing door, it actually gives you that hotel room suite these other chaps talk about, where you shut the bathroom door, you've now got separate shower cubicle, separate bathroom with a toilet, all in the back there, all nicely cooled by an air conditioning unit in there. Good storage either side, we've got some wardrobe space, we've got some drawer space. For two people, lovingly selfish, lots and lots of space. The bathroom, the bedroom and the kitchen, you're stood in there, Josh. Large fridge, good space, all the details that you need, but up front, very, very comfortable. An extra two travelling seats in the dinette area. This can drop down and to sort of put your feet up out the way, sort of a telescopic base on there as well, but very much travels with for this. Still nice and plush. The leather's absolutely tight as a drum. Both captain's chairs, both got the arms, they're like little thrones up in this one. The condition inside and out is fantastic. Mileage and servicing is fantastic. Price $59,995 with all the cover that you get here at IH Motorhomes is also fantastic. This is a lot of vehicle, this is a lot of Heimer, and it's here right now at IH. Lovely looking van. You're going to actually see this one in a car park. You're going to see this one on a campsite. It's nice to see a bit of change in colour. If you want to make this one yours, have a little look on the spec. Extras down the side. We've still got storage on the back quarters from inside in the big bathroom at the back, but also access from outside as well, and storage under those two benches. It's a little vehicle with a hell of a lot about it. $47,995, warranty, service. You're getting it from IH, guys. We've got you covered. Up at the front, it's the usual setup with these guys. The half leather trim is on the big benches that are facing as well. It's in really good condition. It's not a particularly old van. Usual compliments in the kitchen. We've got a stowaway table that is manoeuvrable. This van, this setup in here is all about being social. It's a short vehicle, it really, really is. But we've got a great sized bathroom across the back and a separate shower. Two big facing benches and those two captain's seats turned round. It feels big, it's just about being social. And when you do kick somebody out and it's time to go to bed, these pull together, get your stuff down, set your bed up. It's very, very simple, as is the decor, as is the driving. It is a nice, clean, small vehicle. We've got a 2013 Auto Sleeper Borton, and I don't mind the age as long as it's an Auto Sleeper Borton. This is all about you two. Two passengers, two berth, great space, two separate benches for each other. That will make two lovely sized single beds. Pull it together, you can sleep across the van, you can sleep with the van, you can do whatever you want with the van. It's got a large bathroom with a clever switching wall, so there is a shower cubicle that separates in the back, and that joins the kitchen right by the rear door with a step. It's a great example on the Mercedes base, and it's the automatic transmission. It's here just under 40,000, and again with all the support and care that we give everyone here at IH Motorhomes, this could be the one for you. So the money's come down, $69,995. That's with all the servicing, the history that comes with this, and what we're going to put on top of it for you. If you want a vehicle that's been looked after, well maintained, and is going to go on and on and on by a Mercedes, by this automatic, by this setup with this multifunctional layout, many people are going to be very happy about this one. Come and take a look. It does feel a bit like walking into a nice boutique hotel with what the boys and girls in Bürstner have done with this 660. It's the ML. This is on the Mercedes chassis. automatic box. It's one owner and a full service history. If you've got two of you, if you've got one, if there's a couple and we want that spare bed on occasion, we've got a large bed in the ceiling. We've got a very large French double at the back. I'm just over 6'1" and I'm very comfortable with plenty of space all the way around, especially if you've got Miss Jones here. That extra little cutout there means one can slide off on that side. Not as disturbing as all French beds, but as good as it's getting, and I've seen for a long time. Underneath there we've got big storage I can get to from inside, also a large door. Take a couple of wheels off, you can get some bikes in there. More storage on the inside, a large locker, hanging rail. There's always another jacket to bring, and if you're using that extra 2 berth up there and the true extra travelling seats up front, more space, more hanging space, always a good thing. Kitchens is just as simple as you like. It's got an oven, it's got a sink, it's got everything that you need to cook. But the fridge, big old fridge from Stepford, it's got a nice big ice box, and what goes well with ice is a couple of bottles of something you can just stash in there. There's a few little details. The lighting's great, the build quality. This is a strong German brand. This is Bürstner, built on Mercedes. It's put yourself in the middle of a German sandwich. I think I've said that before, but that's what this is. Built right, built on the right vehicle. Lots of extras on the outside. Take a look at the write-up. But in here, 4 people, bit of a privacy point there, but 4 people will comfortably sleep in this. If it's nice, you're outside anyway, but when you need to be inside, this seating area, that functioning movable table there, and we've also got a cheeky extra seat just by the door as well. You can fit a few people in there. This doesn't impede too much on the living space at all, and with its nice lighting details, it just looks like part of the ceiling. Good bit of kit, this one. We're open, and we're open all the time now, Monday through to Sundays. Check the times on the website, have a little look at our stock. It's always changing. On the IH, these are the brand, this is us, built here in the UK, manufacturing for over 30 years. We have a great selection of our different models. Some that are in production, some that are pre-loved, some that are displays. We've got a showroom, we've got the stock outside and in the manufacturing side. On the new side as well, our partnership with Pilote, we have the 4-belt, 4-berth setups, double drop-down bed at the back. You've got yourself a bit of a, bunk bed setup. On the Fiat Ducato, automatic bases. We've got the 6 metre, we've got 6.3 metres, high roof from the factory, standard, and a few other little variants. On brand, you know, we've got a great selection. That's Fiat Ducatos. That is on the VW Crafter base as well. We've got a lovely little pop top right at the back there on a Ford Transit Custom, which is 4 or 5 belts and sleeps 2 with a belt, but it's got a pop top in it as well. Could be a great daily driver for somebody wanting just to go away and do short stays. There is also space for a Portaloo in that setup. It's a nice little day van, could be good for a couple of weekends or using it all year round as your daily driver. We've got coach builds, we've got the A-Class in, there's got the last one in fact, which is the Rapido. That's also sat on the Mercedes automatic base. I'm quite surprised that is still sat here. That's the M66 and that is on the M series from Rapido. Automatic, big island bed at the back, air conditioning units, lots and lots of plush leather again inside. It's a big classic looking A-Class from Rapido with a couple of nice little extras on it. It's all here. Little van conversion with a pop top, whopping great A-Class where you're going to need your C1 license. If you don't know what you need, don't know what you want, and don't know if you even like it, do still come and take a look and get in these vehicles. Figure out with you, the kids, the dogs, what layout will work, and this selection we've got here at IH Motorhomes will allow all of that to happen. We will talk you through the process, or we will just leave you alone. Let us know you've arrived, we will come out and say hello, and if that's you for the rest of the day, everything's open, that's got a price in it. Walk through the lot, get onto the beds, see what fits. You can do this here, and you can do it right now, and 7 days a week at IH Motorhomes.